always keep a neutral spine. Feet are shoulder width apart, hands just outside of the hips. Now, a lot of people are gonna want to overextend when they get to the top. That's no good. We don't need to put that stress on the back. Hi, my name is Kris. I'm one of the clinical assistants here at Barefoot Rehab Clinic, and today I'm going to show you some tips for strengthening your technique and your form with deadlift. Biggest thing is to always keep a neutral spine. What I mean by neutral spine is that we don't want any curving or slouching of the back. Okay, so the biggest thing that we do when we start for our setup is we're going to go feet shoulder width apart, and we're going to take our grip just outside of our hips. Okay, so as I come down to the position, I'm going to grip the bar just because it's at the floor. From here, to create that straight neutral spine, what I want to do is I'm going to puff my chest out and I'm going to pull my shoulders back. Okay? From here, as I go to hit my deadlift, it's not so much of a squat where I'm using my legs. I want to be able to use my back and activate my posterior chain here in the hamstring, the glutes, and then also the erectors. Okay? So from here, feet are shoulder width apart, hands just outside of the hips. I go down into my starting position here. I make sure my spine is neutral. I keep this bar nice and close to me. My head is slightly out over top of my toes, and I'm going to push with my heels and drive my hips forward. Rather than doing a squat motion, I'm going to drive my hips forward as I come straight up to this position here. Now, a lot of people are gonna want to overextend when they get to the top. That's no good. We don't need to put that stress on the back. So from here, feet shoulders width apart. My hands are just outside of my hips, one under, one over grip. All right, as I come down, I don't want to round my back. I want to keep a nice neutral spine. So I puff my chest out, pull my shoulders back. All right, from here, I'm using my hips to drive forward as I push my feet down through the floor here. Here. All right, we don't need to overextend. Just come up to the end of range, and then we go back down.